We're here. We're live. We're lit. Shadow 57 in this motherfucker. What's up with it? We're back again for a couple more openings. Look, we got 6 random blister booster packs. We've also got another triple Articuno Moltres Zapdos double pack. And we got a Silver Tempest with a booklet pack. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what time it is. Click to subscribe. All that bullshit. Peep game. Here we go. Check this out. We're sitting on nice content. That is correct. Let's go. Can we get something crazy? Alright, come on. Hey, you want to open them all?
Yeah, I'm gonna open first.
Alright. Show us open them all. Well, I mean, this one's already backwards. That one's backwards too, and a Charizard pack, nice. Okay, nice. Not too shabby. Come on. Okay, we gotta open up all these individually. Okay, we're gonna pull out every single pack. There we go. Alright, now, which way are you gonna start it? Okay, Astral Radiance, let's roll. Come on, let me get a pull. Can we pull something crazy? Ladies and gentlemen, we're here, we're live, we're late, you know what the fuck time it is. Come on.
Let's just walk and shit.
You know what I mean? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that 4 trick I was talking about? Flip it around. Alright. Come on. Can we get something crazy? First pack. Are we gonna get a smack in the mouth? Oh, that was sick. And a smack! No. Oh, it's a hollow. Okay. Not too bad, not too shabby. Alright, can we pull something crazy? Come on. Let me get a pull. And who picked up these packs again?
You did.
Oh, fuck. Of course, I get the blame. Oh,
almost did it backwards.
Chia? No, Chia, you were trying to cheat. Yeah, you were trying to cheat.
That was it.
Yeah, okay, energy. Alright, here we go. Come on. Let me get a pull. Come on. Give us something crazy. And... Let's go. You see what the fuck that is? Boom! Let's go. Alright. Not too shabby.
That's actually pretty good.
That's pretty fucking good pull for fucking nothing. Let's go, second pack in and we're winning. Alright, and can we get some... Why are you cheating?
I didn't mean to.
Yeah, alright, you cheating. Come on, can we get something crazy?
English bastards.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna try it. Come on. Alright, okay. Come on. And... Nothing. Smack in the mouth. Smooth up! Alright.
No.
Alright. Don't jinx it now.
I don't know if I'm doing that.
Can we get something crazy?
Maybe.
Come on. Already, we won.
Oh, no.
Doesn't even fucking matter, we already won. As far as I'm concerned, you look up that VMAX right now, it's worth some money. Come on, let me get a pull. Try that. Come on. And oh! Another one!
That's a V-Star, baby.
Damn!
That's a V-Star, baby.
Let's go. VMAX and V-Star to get us started. Come on! Let me get a pull! See how fucking crazy Pokemon is already? We're winning. That's already a win. We pulled what, 3 packs and we got a V-Star and a VMAX? It's a wrap. We're already winning. Come on. Let me get a pull. Pull something crazy. Yeah. Come on.
Energy.
Yep. Pyro. Ursaring. Come on. A little fucking whatever the fuck that is. Little rock. Wobbuffet! Nothing. Smack! Is the Charizard gonna give us another slap in the mouth? Or are we gonna pull something crazy tonight? Ladies and gentlemen, we're here, we're live, you know what the fuck channel it is. But this isn't the last pack because we technically still have 3 packs. But can we turn the game around? Right now, it's sitting in our hands. Is it possible? And let's leave it up to the 4 draw. Come on. Let's go. Sorry, kick.
Yeah, that's right.
Star me. Come on. Alright. Dedenne.
Choo-choo.
Yeah. Choo-choo. Nothing. Smack!
And the motherfucking Charizard pack.
Alright, now.
Well, unfortunate.
Which one are you going in for? Right off the jump. We get 3 hollows. Right. Moltres, Articuno, and Zapdos. She's having a hard time ripping this. You should see her pick her ass. She probably has a lot harder time picking her ass than she does second ripping that package. Yeah, hell yeah. There it is. Stick a nail in there. That's nice. Okay, we got ourselves a pack. Another easy now.
Don't worry about what I'm doing.
Throwing the hollows all over the ground. Look what you did the other 2, yeah.
Oh, I thought we had 3 packs in here.
No, just 2. Yeah. Alright. And you're stacking them. Alright. Astral Radiance. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here, we're live, we're late. You know what the fuck it is. Give us a subscribe, a like. I don't give a fuck if you do or don't. It doesn't matter to me. Can we pull something crazy? Can we turn it around, Pokemon? Come on, let's go.
There's gonna be something right now.
Come on. Well, give me something crazy.
In my bones.
Well, you better feel something crazy, because I'm ready. Come on. Oh, gold up. Nice. Come on. Yep. And? Fuck, we're gonna do with that hippo. Oh, trainer! Let's go. Right on. Not too shabby. Not too bad.
What I know is what I know.
Come on. Can we get something else? So far, we're doing fantastic. How many packs did we open tonight? 6, 7, 8. So far, only 8. This is our 8th pack. 9th is sitting right there.
We've only got 3 piles.
Alright. Oh, you're upside down.
Weird.
Come on. Alright. Well, I'll give you some Pecco, alright. Come on with it.
Pikachu?
So you can choose good sign.
Rowlet?
Oh!
Wait.
Double wang jang, double bang bang. Let's go, choo choo train. What the fuck just happened? Boomerang.
Money in my hand, man.
Slap that around. Alright, last pack.
Motherfucking right.
Gold card.
That's a motherfucking right.
Last pack to the pack.
Thank you.
Let's go. We made our
Run
money
this
tonight. We made our
fucking
money
shit.
tonight. It don't matter. It don't matter if we don't pull shit out of this last pack. We made our money tonight.
Got a little portfolio for my son.
Yeah, alright.
He's gonna go stupid.
Yeah, I bet he is. Come on. Tell me get something crazy. Or we're gonna get another smack in the mouth.
When do we get a smack in the mouth with that fucking shit?
Oh no, so far we're actually really
Alright,
hot.
here we go.
Come on.
Let's go, 7 10
Come on,
bids.
let me get a pull. And?
Oh,
Damn.
oh,
I know, slap.
please.
Might be a smack. Come on. Pokeball. Come on, trainer. So a little ninja star, huh? Farmer. Rally.
Pikachu!
Inside. And? Smack! Nada. But, to end the game though, to be fair, we got the Rayquaza, we got the V-Star, we got the Trader, we got the Double Trader, and the Gold Shit! Yo! That's what I call a fucking win for the night. We're here. We're live. We're lit. You know what the fuck time it is. Go subscribe, like the channel. I don't give a fuck. Bow. Till next time.